What's up, my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add links to your YouTube channel page. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can see on my banner right now in the bottom right hand corner there's a link to my Twitter page, and you could just click on that, and for your viewers, when they're viewing your channel, they could easily just click on that and just get to all of your other social medias. So in order to do this, you can hit your profile picture in the top right corner in order to get to YouTube Studio, which is going to be the third option down if you're not familiar with that. And then you're going to go ahead and hit customization, which is about the 8th option down on the tab on the left. And what you're going to do is also hit the tabs at the top of the screen right now and click the one all the way to the right to get to the basic info. And if you scroll down just a little bit on this page, right next to channel URL, you are going to see an option for the links. And you can see my Twitter page that is right there right now. And I'm also going to add a link, as you can see right here right now. Seeing that you could add whatever title you want for the link, I'm just going to add the social media itself, as it is Instagram and Twitter, so people know exactly where they're going. And then you could just copy and paste your Instagram profile link. If you aren't following me on my social medias already, go ahead and go do that right now. You could see the link in there now and get updates for all my latest videos. And if you go back to my channel page right now, you could see the link that we recently added for Instagram. And when you click on that, it just takes me to my Instagram page as it is standing right now. As if a viewer would be doing this, it would show the exact same route. That is all I got for you today, though. If you had any questions or were confused on how this works, adding links to your YouTube channel page, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.